One of the great things about Seasonax is the screener function. If you haven't used it yet, you need to check it out. The screener allows you to look at a number of different markets. So in this instance, let's look at some European indices and let's look at the German DAX. The German DAX has been very pressured recently on the geopolitical risk due to the Russia and Ukraine crisis. And potentially, if that crisis fades, it could offer some medium-term value for longer-term buyers. Now, how does the screener work? Well, let's look at the function, and we're going to look at the start date for today, 9th of March. We want to look at the examination period over, let's just say, 15 years. Well, let's start it on the 10th of March. That's going to be more appropriate. Then look at the minimum maximum time period. We want to see a pattern that lasts between 61 to 90 days. And we're going to want something with like an 80% win ratio. And then we can see some stocks come to the top. Now, if we just click on Adidas, we instantly get a detailed breakdown of that pattern. We can see the average return has been 7.9%, maximum profit 21%, maximum loss relatively mild, minus 3.15%. So we can see that Adidas does show promise from a seasonal perspective. So don't forget, don't just look up a stock, but don't forget to Seasonax it. Major trade risks? One of the major trade risks is that any worsening of the geopolitical risk between Russia and Ukraine would invalidate this outlook and could result in another leg lower for German stocks due to their close proximity to Russia.